Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to ask for everyone's attention, even if you are a frequent flyer, while we take you through the safety features of our Airbus aircraft. In your seat pocket is a safety cover, indicating the exit routes, oxygen mask, and life jackets. It also shows the brace position that you must adopt if you hear the instruction, brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits. 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 window exits in the center of the cabin, and 2 doors at the front. Low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Please take time to locate your nearest exit. Don't forget that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of having to use an escape slide, leave all hand baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released and shown. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. If there is a failure in the air supply, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will drop from the panels above you. Remain seated and pull a mask towards you. This will stop the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Use the elastic strap to hold it in place. To adjust, pull the elastic straps on each side like this. Remember to put on your own mask before helping others. A life jacket will be stowed under your seat. In the event of landing on board